Hello from Örstigsnäs. Beautiful sandy beach here in Nyköping. And out on the beautiful Baltic Sea. You can see the beach from here as well. And yes, it is time for beach day number 61 on my Sweden beach adventures in 2023. And I'm still in Sörmland region, in Nyköping to be exact. And it is a wonderful Saturday today, as well as Midsummer Day. Yesterday we had a wonderful Midsummer Eve celebration with lots and lots of food and strawberry cake and everything. And yeah, so this beach is located approximately 9 kilometers from central Nyköping. And for me it took 17 kilometers to reach this from where I'm staying here. And today, right now, it is 23 degrees Celsius in the air and feels like temperature of 22 degrees. And there was an old couple here that measured the temperature in the water, and it was 20 degrees Celsius. So it is quite warm, to be fair. And this is obviously in the most beautiful natural setup here, with lots of trees and natural sandy beach. It is also very close to the beach Strandstuviken that I was on 3 days ago. Actually 2 days ago on Thursday. But this one is much better, because if you remember, that one was very, very shallow. Here at least, when you go, you will get at least to your belly. And yes, it's wonderful weather here in Sweden. So let's dive in and see how is the water here. But it is very nice as I go in. And yeah, let's enjoy this beautiful moment here in Örstigsnäs. And let's dive in right away! Okay, we got a bit shallow again, so I got my belly on the sand, but it's okay. It's soft sand, so that's fine. And yes, amazing day. We have mostly sun with mix of a bit of clouds, but it's still beautiful. And let's dive in again, because it's getting more deeper here. So one more, let's go. All right. Yes. Yes, yet another beach adventure here in Sweden. Yes, right now we are in Sörmland and the beautiful city of Nyköping with beautiful beaches out on the Baltic Sea. This is Örstigsnäs, and thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in tomorrow for yet another fantastic beach location in Sweden. Bye!